I was Samanar. So, past videos I clearly said that 25,650 is the very strong support. I said today it broke and 50 point it's broke and it's down. Uh, is it continue in the downside or not? That is the question mark that we will see in the chart. So other thing is the advanced decline ratio. If you see, it is 1:2. So this is not a good sign. Similarly, 52-week high and 52-week low also not a good sign. And upper circuit and lower circuit somewhat okay. So if you see the remaining things like advanced decline, 52-week high low ratio, so this kind of market signs also is not good presently. So this is giving quite concern. But overall, there is the confirmed negativity still we couldn't be able to see. There is still some hope. That and all I will show in the chart. Okay, so before that, it's a disclaimer. I'm not a CB registered advisor. Whatever I'm speaking here for education purpose, just sharing my views. Always a good trader or investor have to do their own study analysis and have to take their own decision. So before going to the video, please do subscribe and like. So today Nifty minus 165 point closed and large cap minus 161, mid cap minus 80, small cap minus 104 and micro cap minus 182 points. So all the caps are in red. Only one good thing is VIX 0.02 percentage it has reduced. So sorry 0.16 percentage. So it's not a big number. Still this is a very good sign. We can say that because market while it's reducing, actually it has to increase. So that means if it is reducing in the sense, maybe tomorrow we can expect a positive thing. Tomorrow in the sense day after tomorrow. Tomorrow Guru Nanak Jayanti, market is holiday. So next Thursday will be the market opening. So we will see the impact on Thursday. Then today the bank Nifty minus 274 point and Nifty 80 minus 378 point. So everything is in the red side. Similarly, if you see the sectoral indices, except the consumer durable, all the other indices, sectoral indices are in negative. So the biggest negative we can say that Nifty metal minus 1.44 and Nifty 80 minus 1.06 percentage. And whatever the plus the consumer durable also, it's a negligible 0.39 percentage. It's a positively closed. So sectoral analysis also not giving hope. So now we will see the overall direction. If you see, this is the 25,650 is the support. It has broke and 50 point it has broken in the downside. Still one hope is, if you see now Nifty, we can able to see a channel, actually the upper side channel. So the next on Thursday, if it further it comes down and enters into this channel, I mean another one red candle, if it discloses inside the channel, then definitely we can take that as a negativity. Then we can expect a 24,800 would be the next level of support. But a good part is, see the bank Nifty, the 57,500 is the strong support. Though market is quite away from that support. Actually, it need not touch the support. So that way it giving some hope, because this is one of the heavyweight. Similarly, if you see the Nifty IT, this also not touch the support. 35,000 is the support. So it's quite away from the support. So these two things giving us a little bit of hope that again Nifty may come in the higher side. But there would be a possibility it will break and come down. So as a trader, as an investor in the market, we have to be ready for any kind of the market movement. So we just blaming the market doesn't never use at all. So accordingly we have to play to the according to the market direction. So another hope is Nifty mid and small 400 indices. This is mid cap and small cap. It's collective index. It give a very good market perspective. We couldn't able to see any negativity in this indices still. So it is very close to the resistance level 26,600. So if the negativity forms in this, definitely Nifty come 24,800. Though it doesn't play, but it gives a very good market perspective. So with that sense, if it starts to coming down, and 19500 would be this next level of support. If it start travel towards the downside, then we can expect the Nifty 24800. So still there is a hope, bit of hope. Let me see. So then our US market, the big brother, by the time of recording this video, the market is started. Today I'm quite lately recording this video. So now the Dow is trading at minus 193 point and S&P 500 minus 53 point. NASDAQ Composite Index minus 289 points. So if you see the only the Dow, we can able to see some negativity like Nifty, but if you see the S&P 500, it's somewhere close to the support, minor support. I can say this is this level. The strong support is 6,600, and NASDAQ Composite Index 23 is the minor support, and 22 200 will be the strong support. But it's quite away from the even minor support. So with that sense, still there is some bit of hope. How the Bank Nifty and IT giving some hope. Similarly, NASDAQ Composite Index and S&P 500 giving some hope. Let me see. Now we'll see the stocks. So the F&O stock, we used to see two gainers stocks and two loser stock. So in the, with that sense, in the gaining side, Power India and Delivery we will see, and similarly in the losing side, Hero MotoCorp and NCC. So these four stocks we will see one by one. First, Power India. See, this was in the downside channel. So it was very well. It broke and what do you say? Very good closing today. 14.16%. It is positively closed. Being a F&O stock, making a double digit, whether it is a plus or minus, it's a significant one. So it made a plus 614 point. So very significant, but definitely there will be some profit booking and expect that one. So 18,800 will act as a strong support now. The target would be 21,800. Then Delivery. So if you see multiple time we try to break that 485, the current level, but it unable to make, and now we can able to see some triangle formation. So now that 485 and 475 would act as a critical area. Whichever side it breaks, then it very well play travel in the direction. So I hope as it is hit many time in the resistance zone, there are high possibilities it will break in the higher side. Let me see in the coming days. Then Hero MotoCorp. So today minus 4.15%, it has closed negatively. If you see the all-time high is 5,800. So it almost touched the previous significant high, but there is a hectic profit booking. So that's why we can able to see a red candle. But this zone 5,100 will act as a strong support. So it should not break. From there, it starts moving to the higher side and breaks this 5,800. We can expect a significant up move. Then NCC Limited. So if you see, it traveled within the downside channel. So it after it touched the resistance, there will be a very big drag towards downside. That is 3.88% is negatively closed. So 190 will act as a strong support and 215 will act as a resistance. So I hope if you are having these four stocks and if you are planning to consider, please do your own study analysis and take your own decision accordingly. So with this, we'll wind up this video. Please do subscribe and like. See you next video. Until then, bye bye. Thank you.